It's okay, you can revise with your friends here.
Me too, I forgot.
Okay. Others, did you?
Miss, do I start?
Yes, sure. If you know, you can start. Yeah.
Timetable 8 or 7?
8. I told 8.
Okay.
Yes, start. 8.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 46.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Again. 8, 16. Come on, 1 second.
8, 16, 24.
8, 16, 24.
28,
Okay.
36,
Yes.
40, 40, 48, 56,
Then,
80.
who will say 64? 64, 72, 80. 64, 72, and then you have 80, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now, did you all do your homework, girls? Did you all do your homework? Now, turn to page number 39. Turn to page number 39. Everyone.
Okay.
And write down, this is homework. This is homework in the copybook. You will do in the copybook, girls. Or if you're not, you have to actually make a copybook, your practice book for math. And then you can do all the questions. Question number 8, 9, 10, and 11. All right.
Miss, we had a homework?
See, this homework, it's not that I will check tomorrow. This is some extra practice. With this, you'll be faster in your...
Miss, what page is the homework?
Just write down there, homework, especially you can do it in the weekend. If you don't get time today, you can do it in the weekend. This is homework, something other than your weekly plan. This is something extra, which will make you practice more. All right?
All right.
Okay.
Miss, what page is it?
That's what I have shown you. I think you cannot see the page number here. Can you see it now?
Yes. Yeah.
Please take it out and write with a pencil there. Homework. HW.
I did
homework.
it. I did it. We did it.
Really?
Yes, it was classwork.
I did all. I don't think so. I've finished all. Did I finish all of it?
No, only you did it yesterday.
Yes, I did not. I was not able to finish all of them, but and these are practice questions which you will solve them. Okay.
Okay. We didn't do from 8 till 11.
11. So that's the reason you will do it now. I mean, not now. You will write it as homework and you will do it. All right?
All right. Okay.
Okay. So let us start. Okay. Let us start the new lesson, that is multiplication by multi-digit numbers. Now girls, before I start multiplication by multi-digit numbers, I want you to show a video and then explain you from that video. All right? Focus on the screen. Maybe today I will not be able to do any question because I want you to understand and then we can easily proceed to the question. Multi-digit numbers. All right. Wait a minute, let me share this. Girls, can you hear the video?
And then
No.
First step.
Now?
We multiply the bottom digit,
Now I can hear.
digit in the ones place.
Now can you hear the video, no?
Yes. Yes.
4 times 7 equals 28. Because we have a 2-digit answer, we need to carry the digit that'll be in the way. We're going to add it back in after we complete the next multiplication step. So we carry the 2 to the top of the tens column, and we leave the 8 where it is.
You all know this, right?
Now we
This
can
I
do the
have
second step.
explained you
We
already.
multiply the bottom digit by the
Everyone
next
knows
digit
how
in
to
the
do
top
this
number.
type of question?
4 times 1 equals 4.
Yes.
That was easy.
That we are doing
Don't forget
with
about
each
that digit we
question.
carried.
Okay?
We need to add that to our answer from
Now,
the second step.
Which
In this
is
video,
done
we're going to
by
take it to the
2-digit
next level.
numbers. From this video, I'm going to explain you how to use or how to do multiplication by 2-digit numbers. Look at it carefully, everyone.
We're going to learn how to multiply when we have a 1-digit bottom number, right? You break up the problem into a series of multiplication steps, one for each of the top digits. And in each step, you just multiply the bottom digit by a top digit, starting with the ones place and working your way left until you've multiplied all of the digits. Well, when the bottom number of your multiplication problem also has more than 1 digit, you have to do that same procedure we learned for each bottom.
See guys, till now you were doing with 1 number in the bottom digit. But now you will do with 2. Don't worry. What you have to do, first you will take the 1 digit in the ones place. Like I will take 5 and I will solve it same way how you used to solve. Then you will take the second digit and then multiply that with everything. Same way. But only thing is after you complete the first one, you also have one more number to multiply. See how he does it. Please watch the video carefully so that then you will be able to solve the question and I'll explain you more.
Bottom digit. For example, if you have a 2-digit bottom number, you multiply the first digit by each top digit, and then you multiply the second digit by each top digit. That means you're going to have twice as many steps to do, and it means you're going to get 2 different answers. What? How can we have 2 different answers for the same problem? Now don't panic. The different answers are just what you get from doing the multiplication procedure for each digit of the bottom number separately. In fact, it's kind of like we're pretending we have 2 separate multiplication problems that each have a 1-digit bottom number. Which is nice because I kind of like pretending. No, Luke, I am your father. It's nice because we already know the 2 different answers we're getting. Turns out that all we have to do is add them together once we're finished doing all of our multiplication steps. Are you ready to see an example? It should make a lot more sense when you see the procedure in action by 46, a 2-digit number.
Now girls, if I say 324 times 46, start with 6. Forget that there is something called as 4. Start with 6. First, I will show you my way and then you can continue seeing the video, girls. Like example, girls. When you see here, 6 times, what is the actual procedure? You have to do 6 times 4. What is 6 times 4? It is 24. I write here 4 and then I write here up 2, right? Then 6 times 4, you have finished with ones place, go to 6 times 2. I finish with 6 times 4, I will go to 6 times 2, that is 12. 2 is waiting for it. 2, I got 12, but I cannot do 12. I have to plus 2. So I got 14, that is 4 goes here, and 1, I will write it. 1 I'm gonna write up here. Now 6 times 3, 18, I got 19. Exactly, girls, don't forget the place is important. You write 9 there and 1 there. Till this step, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. 6, the part of 6 I finished. I finished this part with 6. Just come down to the ones place, you will put a 0. Remember, girls, you put a 0. Come down to this and put a 0. Why I put a 0? Because I have finished the ones number. What is the number in the tens place? What is this number? The second number? What is the second number?
4.
4. 6, I finished and I got this answer. Now I need one more answer from 4. I put a 0 in the ones place. Next, 4 times 4. Because 4 I will multiply with each number, how I used to do with 6. 4 times 4, I get
16.
16. Come here. 16 means carry 1 here, right? 4 times 4, 16. 6 goes here and 1 is up. Now, next, what is the number I should multiply 4 with? 2. Because I finished 4 with 4. Now, like I finished 4 with 4. Now I'll go 4 with 2. 4 times 2, 8. But what is waiting here up? I put it in a circle so that don't add 2. I put the second step in circle. 4 times 2, 8. What is waiting? Plus 4 times 2, 8 plus 1. How much?
9.
9. I write just below here, 9. And then 4 times 3. I don't have anything up here. I don't, because it was just 9. I don't have anything up here. If there was something, I would have put in a circle so that you don't get confused. 4 times 3 is 12. I just put 12 this way. And then you need to add the answers. You need to add the answers. Like this was 1 digit, 1 layer. Second digit, second layer. If third digit, I'll put third layer. But remember, what is something new here? You put a 0 just below the ones place. You put a 0 here just below the ones place. And then 4 here, you multiply it. 4 times 4 gives you 16. 6 and carry 1. Put it in a circle, girls, so that you remember that you need to plus it. 4 times 2, 8. Plus 1, 9. I wrote 9 here. 4 times 3, 12. I don't have anything in the circle here. So it's 12. Now I plus it. What do I get when I plus it, girls? I get 4 plus 0, 4. 6 and I got 10. 6 plus 4, I got 10. So I need to put 0 here. And then 1 up here. Carry 1. 9, 9, 18, 19. Again 9 here. And then 1 goes up. 2, 3, 4. And then 4 here. And then 1 here. This is my answer. Did you understand the steps what I told you or no?
Yes, I understand.
Who did not understand? Please tell me so that I do one more question.
I didn't either.
Tala, maybe see the video. Maybe if he solves it and you understand, see it.
Now remember, we're going to do the same procedure that we did in the last video for each of the bottom digits. And since our top number has 3 digits, that means there'll be 3 multiplication steps for the first digit and 3 steps for the second digit. Fortunately, we can start the same way we would if the bottom number only had 1 digit by just ignoring the second digit until we finish the first 3 steps. All right, so our first multiplication step is 6 times 4, which is 24. And since 24 has 2 digits, we can leave the 4 in our answer line, but we need to carry the 2 and put it above the next top digit that we're going to multiply. So the next step is 6 times 2, which is 12. So we have to add in the 2 that we carried, so 12 plus 2 gives us 14. That's another 2-digit answer, so we leave the 4 in our answer line and carry the 1 up above the next digit that we're going to multiply. And our third step is 6 times 3, which is 18, and then we add in the 1 that we carried. And we get 19. This time we can leave both digits of the 19 in our answer line because there's no more multiplication steps to do. Well, at least there's no more steps for the first digit. Remember, we still have that other bottom digit that we've been ignoring. Now we have to multiply it by each of the top digits also, which means we have 3 more steps to do. It also means that we'll get a second answer. And because we'll get a second answer, we need to start a second answer line for the next set of steps. We're going to put our new answer line just below the first one. So this answer line comes from our first bottom digit, and this answer line will come from our second bottom digit. At the very end, after we're all done multiplying, we're going to add the two answers together. But for now, let's continue with the second set of multiplication steps. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you, there's something very important that you need to do when you start the second set of steps. Because the second digit of the bottom number is in the tens place, that means that even though the digit's only a 4, its value is really 40. That's 10 times bigger, so the answer we get should also be 10 times bigger. So before we start multiplying, we need to put a 0 in the first spot of our answer line, so it's 10 times bigger. That means that all the other answer digits we put there are shifted to the next bigger number place. And
so girls, did you understand why do I put a 0 here?
Yes.
I put a 0 here and then same I will do. 4 times 4, 4 times 2 and 4 times 3. Tala, did you understand now something?
Yes.
Okay, now I will start with the lesson then.
I don't know if I understand.
Okay, we'll start with the first one. Now here you see here girls. 28 times 18. 18, they started with the big number. 8 is a timetables of 8. Everyone you don't remember, so please try to memorize them. Okay? If not, keep the paper next to you, which you have timetables written on it. Now, 8 times 8, what does it give you? You must at least keep a paper next to you where you can say me timetables. I want you to participate. 8 times 8.
48.
Wrong. 8 times
64.
64. You write 4 here and goes 6 up, right? Am I correct?
Yes.
And 8 times 2. 8 times 2, 16. Do I need to write 16 here or I will plus 6?
Plus 6.
Plus 6. When I plus 6 to 16, 17,
32.
22.
32.
22. I get 22, not 32.
32.
No, it's 22.
How?
16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 6. Okay, here it was 4. You get 22. You get 22. Now, what did I teach you guys? In the ones place, put a 0 down here. Put a
0.
And then 1 times 8 is 8. Just below 2 you need to put, and 1 times 2 is 2.
Where's the cut?
Yes? Then you need to add them. 4 plus 0, what do you get?
4.
0 you get? Yeah, you get 4 here. And then 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4, and you get 5.
Miss, I didn't understand.
Okay, I will do again here and show you. Wait a second. 28 times 18. 8 times 8, what is it?
8 times 8.
64. I just wrote 6.
4.
Just start with 8, the first number. 8 times 8, 64. 4 here and carry 6. Then next number, 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. See girls, you solved with 8. You solved with the first number. 8 times 8, 64. 6 carry. 8 times 2, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I got 224. Now, below, just below the ones place, you need to put a
0. 0.
Now you will multiply the other number. 1 times 8. What does it give you? It gives you
8.
8. You will write it here. And next, what is left? The other number. 1 times 2.
2.
1 times 2? 2. You have 2 answers now. One with 8 and one with 1. You have 2 lines. And both the lines you need to plus it. So it is 4, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 5. This is your answer.
Oh, I get it now.
Now you got it? Come on, just write this and then we'll solve the upper part, because this is the main part. You must know how to do it. That's why I did not want it to confuse you by writing up first and then solve this first on page number. Do you know this page number?
Yes, it's 43.
Page number, it's page number
43.
43. Okay, good. Page number 43 now you. 1 second. Yeah, let me see. Come on, please solve it.
Done.
Did you fill up these? Did you fill up this area?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So please come up now here and tell me. First, we need to estimate. When I estimate 28, I get 30. When I estimate 28,
I don't know how to estimate.
You don't know how to estimate? Who told me that? Kala?
Jana.
Jana.
It's kind of
28. 28 is near to which number? Is it near to 10 or is it near to 20?
20.
Yes. 1 second. You told 20? See this? I will draw for you a number line and show you. Look on the screen. Just a second. One second. Hello, yes, girls. So Jana, you told me that you don't know how to estimate, right?
Yeah.
I told you even that day. Try to write here 20, like see, you want the estimate of 28. So you know that 28 comes between 20 and 30. And of course, in the middle it is 25. So tell me, where is 28? Is it this side or this side?
No, in 30.
28 comes before 25 or after 25?
After 25.
Somewhere near. So it's near to which number, 30 or 20?
30.
That's why the estimate is 30. Got it?
Yeah.
Same way, 18. It's near to which number, 18? 10 or 20?
20.
Very good. So now you understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so now everyone start writing. 3 times 2 is 6, and then I put 2 zeros. You know the basic fact, what we have done. So they are just saying 28 times 8. When I did 28 times 8, what did I get as an answer? 224. I will do it again for you here. I will do again for you here, 28 times 8. See girls, how do I do it? Only 28 times 8. You are just taking 28. They are asking you only with 8. They are asking only with 8. So 28 times 8 gives me 'So do you know how I got 224 now?
Not really.
Not really again? This is one digit number, girls. 28 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. I put 4 here. And then I put 6 up. 8 times 2, 16. Plus 6. 22. Now you understood?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Simple, with one digit they did it. Understood? You can, if you want, you can solve this just beside that. Did you copy it?
Yes.
Now girls, next line here. Now they want us to do, okay, here let me show here, because they want me to write here 224. Okay, and here it was 6 up carry. Now when I come here, now they want me to do with, you know that 224 was already there. 1 second. 224. Now below 4, what did I say you want to put? You will put a, what will you put? 0. You will put 0 and multiply with 1. When you multiply with 1, 1 times 8 gives me
8.
1 minute, girls. I don't know why this tick is coming here now.
Miss, is it like this?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Miss, the answer equals to 108.
I don't know where did this tick mark come from. Okay.
Miss, press on the garbage.
I'm doing that. But again, why it is coming? I don't want the tick mark. I want the A, B, C, D. Okay, now I think so it will be okay now. Oh.
Miss, there's a check mark on the top. Just like, I think press line.
I'm coming with the A. I want with the AB one. Anyways. Wait a minute, girls.
Miss, there's something that says AB text on the top.
Yeah, I'm doing that, but still, I don't know why it is shown this way. Again, is this doing tick mark?
Miss, where it says fill in sign over there, there's AB.
Yes, I'm doing, see, like I go there and I put A. Let me choose.
Miss, from the top, there's text.
1 minute, girls. Let me just close it and do it again. I'm sorry, girls. 5 and 7. All right. Now we were here. 20 times 18, right? We were here. 20 times 18 here. We got 224. Now with 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. And 1 times 2 is 2. One times 8 is 2 and 8. Okay, so we got 280. We got 280 and we got 28 in the next one. We got 28, or you can say we got 280. Then we are adding both. When we add both, this step, did you finish? Because this we have already done. This we have already done. We get 2, we get 2, and then we get 4. Here, I told you to take 0. And here, I'm going to write 280. And then I told we are adding it. When I add it, I get 5, 0, 4. 504 pounds. I hope you understood well.
Yes, we understood really well.
See, we took so much time to finish this. We almost just did one question, but the main thing was that you must understand it. Example, I will just do simple one on a screen, on a white screen. See on the board. See on the screen then. I'm not doing the textbook question. I want to do the simple question first. And then tomorrow we'll do something which is tough. Did you do such question before? I think no. Did you do last year? With 2-digit numbers, did you do it last year?
Yeah.
Girls,
Yes.
do the with 2-digit numbers with last year with Miss Susan or no?
What?
With
I
2-digit
think we did
numbers.
numbers. I don't remember it.
I will give you an easy one. 4 and 2. Now you will help me to do this. Come on.
4.
First, what should I start with? Shall I start with 4 or shall I start with 2?
2.
2.
Very good. 2 times 2, 4. And then 2 times 5, 10.
20.
10, right? Now, what do I do? Then, where do I put a 0?
Under the 4.
Under the 4.
I put under the. Then, what is the next number I must multiply?
4.
Times
It's 20. It's 20.
4 times 2. First, don't do 4 times 5. First, do 4 times 2. 4 times 2 gives me 8. Then 4 times 5 gives me
20.
What do next?
Plus.
Add. Okay?
Okay.
I will just quickly do one more question. 30
Okay.
plus 27. 26. Come on. 6 times 2, 12.
12.
3, 18 and 9. I put 0 and then I take the next number. Tala, see this 2, I will not multiply with tens. I will multiply with ones. 2, 2. 2 times 2, it is 4. And 2 times
4.
6. I don't have anything to carry because there's small numbers.
Like we multiply the two numbers first that are above each other, and then we multiply like an X, right?
Yes. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
By this way, I finished my class. Maybe I'm not able to finish the next page, but I will do it tomorrow. As I told you, see it if you don't understand. Everyone,
Miss, I understand.
did you understand it today perfectly?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, try to make any numbers, write any numbers in the rough paper and try to solve them by your own.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, girls.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye.